Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing, or unparceling as I like to call these. And let's see what we've got. We've got our trusty little knife here that has been going on for years and years now. Almost indestructible. And I wonder what this might be that came in this parcel. This might be the one thing that I was really waiting for. So let's see. Let's open it up and find out. It still looks in pretty good shape. And here it is. There is some kind of manual app download. SpeedyBee manual has having problems, need help. Oh, great. Please contact us via SpeedyBee app. Gives you an email and stuff, which is nice. It's nice.
Likey